Hi dear viewers, this is Arash Kamali with another session of the website programming course on the Python programming language and the Django framework. As always, a very warm and sincere welcome from me. Alright, here we have shown the trending and we have made its fields, and now let's get the view. As we said, show the last 5. This is a method to show the last 5, and this one, the trending, needs to be updated so that every time the new trendings will be shown, it could show the sentences that have just been added to the trending, the last 5 of them to be exact. Okay, we have one more solution or one solution for this problematic area. Let's get to know it. We can say over here, as you see in this area, we can either say extract the values randomly and send them to template, and there I can use them. For now I have set it on the last 5, and we aren't going to change them to the random selection. So I just teach you how to make a random query so that you could use it somewhere in other websites. Maybe you needed to have something like that to incorporate it into your website. For instance, you could choose it for a shorter story site or any other format. That would require the query to choose a random value among the whole values. So you can either set a trending so that it shows the last 5 queries, or it can choose a query randomly, and it will be shown to him each time he enters the page. Alright. In here I write it in the home page. We aren't going to use it right now unless we are going to need it in the other sections of the site. We are just going to suffice to it here. This section is necessary. Alright, the first thing I need to do is to add the libraries, the associated libraries. We say import random, rand for random, and then we say import from random, and import rand int. Alright, I get the 2 libraries, and now here I want to print a query each time I import the function. I say for instance random underline objects equals trending dot object dot all. Now all the data are extracted. Here we can set a filter to determine based on what it needs to be filtered. We write the random section over here. We say rand int, and then open parentheses from 0 to len of trending. That's right, the trending query. That is from 0 to the number of records that I have in trending, of course -1, because it starts from 0. Alright, now this query get me a random data from 0 until the number of my trending -1, because we have started from 0. And I say print, that's right, random objects. Now I refresh the page, and As you see, test 1 is shown randomly to me. As you see, test 1 is shown. Now test 2, now the numbers are scarce. I add the new trending, and say test 3, test 4, test 5, alright, test 6. Now I refresh, and each time I refresh, as you see, a new trending is being shown to me. Again, test 3, as you see, a query is made for me randomly each time I refresh the page. Okay, as we said, we won't be needing it, but you may be using it in a specific website of your own later on, so we just taught it for educational purposes where we can use the random system. But you'd better know how to use it. It may come in handy in case you were needing to randomly extract records from your project. So don't forget that you have this option available to you as well when designing the trending section of your website.